everyone, Nancy here with another album for Button Farm Club. Very happy to introduce this beautiful album done with Prima's Georgia Blue collection, and it's made on the Farmhouse denim album, which I love. I did take the inside out because I wanted to show you the construction of the album. So this is a nice wide spine, holds plenty of pages, and a 3-ring binder. And this is very sturdy 3-ring binder. So let's take a look at the whole book. First of all, I've done this with 3 layers of Georgia Blue paper, and you'll notice, hopefully it shows up on camera, that there is gold foiled pages with this paper. You are actually getting an entire 12 by 12 Georgia Blue paper pad with this, because that particular paper pad does have the gold foiled pages. The rest of the paper pads on Prima, the other sizes, do not have the gold foil, and I wanted to make sure you got that with your kit. This kit also includes a gold metal corner and the Prima knob in gold as well, Prima flowers with some other flowers mixed in, chipboard Georgia Blue embellishments, candy gems on gold stems, some gold pearls, for lack of a better word, and a piece of Dresden trim. And it's all layered up. You'll all get directions on how to do everything, each step. On the inside front cover, I've created a pocket with a graphic 45 tag, embellishments from Georgia Blue collection, a fussy cut bicycle, again from Georgia Blue, and an inserted photo mat. Now let's look at each individual page. Page number 1 has a belly band that is embellished with Prima Georgia Blue chipboard, a flower and a little tiny pearl, and behind it, it holds a little booklet for more photos or journaling. It's held together with a magnet. You'll use many magnets throughout this book, and several pages for photos. You can hear the click of the magnet. Let me show you how I do these magnets real quick. So you'll get a sleeve of magnets, and every magnet has a positive and a negative. When you get a sleeve, it's hard to pull those magnets one away from another with just a pull. So just take your finger and slide it off. And then what I do on the inside, and I'll take this one off to show you. On the inside, I tape it down where I want it, where I want the magnet, and then I take another magnet. There is a positive and a negative to every magnet. So I just let it fall, and it'll fall to the correct side, which is kind of nice. And I put a tiny little spot of glue on that, just a little bit. Close up the booklet. Watch where the little tiny spot of glue is. Transfer this over, glue side down. Take a piece of tape and hold it down with tape. And that's how you do your magnets. Now if you want one on the inside and one on the outside, then what you need to do is take this magnet, glue it down where you want it, take a magnet, let it fall, a piece of tape, and hold it down with a piece of tape. And that's how I do my magnets. I really use this method with the glue spot the most, but it just depends on where the magnets are going. But I hope that's helpful to you. And we'll go on with the page. So page 2 uses 2 embellishments from the chipboard and a photo mat. This paper's gorgeous. Page 3, I've done a fussy cut using the gold foil and made that into a side pocket of sorts. So I only glued down a little tiny strip here and on the bottom, and then inserted this. On the back side, another magnet. I have a magnet underneath here, underneath between the paper and the chipboard. I've used the little girl with the flowers and the heart embellishment. And there is a corresponding magnet underneath this photo mat. So you have a top flip, a bottom flip. Lay this down, and that magnet attaches to the other and closes up the flips. Next page. I did a side pocket with a chipboard embellishment and some photo mats. Slip those in. Again, you're only going to glue on 3 sides. Turn it over, and there's a little booklet tied together with ribbon. And this booklet is a 3-panel booklet. So the inside has a corner slot, little tuck behind, a pocket, a belly band, and a top page. You might notice also that all of these chipboard pages are lightly painted. It's called dry brushing. So you will use some off-white or white acrylic paint and just loosely dry brush these pages just to give them a shabby chic look. Next page. A bird hides a magnet underneath here, as does this back page hide a magnet. So I have corresponding magnets again that closes the page up. This flip opens to reveal 4 photo mats. Open it up, 2 more photo mats, and some journaling areas with a larger photo mat. Closes up, the magnet flips to itself. Another same kind of page here with a magnet underneath the bicycle, a magnet underneath here, and then another flip out. And I love that bicycle. I didn't want to cover it, but I just thought either you could leave it the way it was or put another little journaling spot up here or another little photo up here, or if you don't like the bicycle as much as I do, cover it. It's your book. You do whatever your heart desires. And the very last page is the inside back cover. For that, I created a pocket with chipboard accents, again in your kit, and several inserts for the pocket. For journaling are photo mats. And that is the book. I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough, and I hope to see you at the Button Farm Club. Thank you.